So let me show you how to install GreenKeeper. Now, the first part of this is you have to get the GreenKeeper file. And remember way back when at the beginning of this series where I had you register for the OPCD tools. Well, when you registered for those OPCD tools, you also got access to GreenKeeper, which is a part of that tool set. So there's two ways that you can get back to this executable. Option number one is you can go find that email, you're welcome to the OPC design tools, and you'll see here there's links to the tutorials, the Inkscape palette, and then here is the link to the greatest GreenKeeper latest version. So there it is. So if you have this email, you could go there. Another thing you could do is if you go into your Google Drive and you're logged in with the account that you registered for the tools, if you go to shared with me, and this is going to list all the stuff that people shared with you. You can see all this. I got teachers from my daughter's school. I don't know who this guy is, Nick Bryant, Mike G's. Man, there's all kinds of stuff. But there should be one in here since it was shared with you, this OPCD downloads folder. And if I double click on that, you can see all the OPCD folders. So there's the base project, which has the latest base project in it. DPRoberts house builder, and then GreenKeeper. So we're just going to come in here. The current version at the time of this video is version 2.1.4. You always just want to download and use the latest version. So I'm going to click on these little dots over here. I'm going to click download. And since you don't want to just do download anyway, and since you don't want to watch me download this, I'm just going to pause the video. So you can see that that was now in my downloads folder. Here it is. It is a zip file. So I can right click on this. I can extract all, and I'm just going to extract it right to my downloads folder as well. That'll take a second. And then when it's done, come on. I should insert some entertaining music. I don't have any, so you're just going to have to wait. And when that's done, you'll have a GreenKeeper folder, and then in there you'll have a GreenKeeper executable. So we are going to double click on that, and we are going to go more info, and we're going to make sure we're going to run this anyway. That's going to start GreenKeeper. You can see that now GreenKeeper is started, and we'll go on to the next video where I'll show you how to get started with GreenKeeper. Now you can see that there's really no installation here, so I could take these folders out of downloads and I can put them any place I want, or I could just keep them in my downloads. Typically, every time I do a new course, I just download GreenKeeper again, but if you want to store it off someplace so you don't have to download it again, you could do that.